Hey everyone, it's Sarah Dici, and today is a big day. The brand new MacBook Pro with the M3 chip is finally here, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. We're about to dive into this sleek machine, explore its features, and put its performance to the test. Is it the performance beast we've all been waiting for? Let's find out. I'm seriously excited about this unboxing, you guys. Apple always nails the packaging, and this is no exception. The anticipation is killing me. All right, let's crack this bad boy open and see what's inside. First things first, this thing is beautiful. The MacBook Pro M3 retains the classic minimalist design we all know and love. As soon as I lifted it out of the box, I was struck by how incredibly light it felt. It's thinner and lighter than the previous generation, which is amazing for portability. But don't let that fool you. It still feels incredibly solid and well built. The aluminum unibody construction is top-notch, and the hinge feels sturdy and reliable. The iconic space gray finish is as elegant as ever, and I love how clean and modern it looks. Let's talk about some design details. The MacBook Pro M3 features a stunning liquid Retina XDR display. The bezels around the screen are noticeably thinner than previous models, which really makes the display pop. And speaking of the display, it is absolutely gorgeous. The colors are incredibly vivid and lifelike, and the blacks are deep and inky thanks to the mini LED backlighting. It's definitely one of the best displays I've ever seen on a laptop. The keyboard and trackpad deserve a special shout-out too. Apple has refined the Magic Keyboard, and it feels better than ever. Now, let's talk specs, because this is where things get really exciting. This MacBook Pro is packing Apple's brand new M3 chip, and it promises a serious performance boost over the previous generation. We're talking about an 8-core CPU with up to 10 GPU cores, depending on the configuration you choose. That means you can expect lightning-fast speeds, whether you're editing 8K video, compiling code, or just browsing the web with a million tabs open. And don't even get me started on the RAM. You can configure this beast with up to 32 gigabytes of unified memory, which is insane. This laptop is a multitasking monster, and it can handle anything you throw at it. Performance real-world testing. Okay, enough about the specs. Let's see how this thing performs in the real world. I've been using the MacBook Pro M3 as my daily driver for the past week, and I have to say, I'm blown away. Everything feels incredibly fast and responsive. Apps launch in a snap, multitasking is seamless, and even demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering are handled with ease. I edited a short 4K video in Final Cut Pro, and the rendering time was insanely fast. I'm talking about minutes, not hours. I also did some light gaming on this thing, and I was really impressed with the performance. The M3 chip's graphics capabilities are no joke. A generational leap comparing to previous models. So how does the MacBook Pro M3 stack up against its predecessors? Well, it's a significant upgrade. Compared to the previous M2 model, the M3 chip delivers up to 20% faster CPU performance and up to 30% faster GPU performance. That's a huge leap, and it's noticeable in everyday use. If you're coming from an Intel-based MacBook Pro, the difference is even more dramatic. The M3 chip runs circles around Intel processors, both in terms of raw power and energy efficiency. It's like night and day. Battery life, power through your day. Speaking of energy efficiency, let's talk battery life. Apple claims up to 17 hours of web browsing on a single charge, and while I haven't quite hit that mark, I've been consistently getting around 12 to 14 hours of mixed use. That's incredible for a laptop this powerful. I can easily go a full day of work without having to worry about finding an outlet. And when I do need to charge, the fast charging capabilities are a lifesaver. I can get a few hours of use from just a short burst of charging. The verdict is the MacBook Pro M3 worth it. So the big question is the MacBook Pro M3 worth it? In short, absolutely. This is an incredible machine that delivers exceptional performance, a stunning display, and all-day battery life. It's the ultimate laptop for creative professionals, students, and anyone who demands the best of the best. Yes, it's a premium device with a premium price tag, but you definitely get what you pay for. If you're in the market for a new MacBook Pro, the M3 model is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings.